That's a fact. That notification was quashed in spite of the fact that all of those persons were not parties to before this honorable court. Our respectful submission is, this is there in the short order, which is page 191, paragraph 3. The notification dated 13th of May 2024 was declared to be ultra vires.
Those persons who were elected or selected through reserved seats, whether any of them have filed review application?
Some of them are before your lordships.
Not all?
Not all, but some of them are. This is CRP 1272 of 2024.
CRP number?
1272 of 2024.
What is their interest in that?
My lord, because their notifications have been quashed. My lord, and the submission is that it may be a question whether a writ of quo warranto could be issued in the case of returned candidates, but even if it could be, these were Article 199 proceedings.
And you are representing them?
My lord, I am.
How many persons have filed this?
Three persons have filed it. And some of the, not all, but some of the returned candidates, for the purpose of completeness, I may point out, were parties in the original civil appeals, and they are before your lordships as respondents. They have not filed review petitions, but they are supporting these review petitions. My lord, and
what is the number of that?
My lord, the main review petitions, they are party to them because they are party to these review petitions because they had to be made a party. And the numbers have been given to the reader of this honorable court. The numbers, if your lordship wants the number of the civil review petition, the first one is 312 of 2024, and their respondents number 15 to 18. And they are supporting the petitioner, my lord. If your lordship looks at that, even if this honorable court had the power to issue a writ of quo warranto, that writ can be issued under Article 199 of the Constitution.
Sir, you were to complete that earlier, your arguments. You were telling us something about the facts, short facts of
these are the facts of the case, your ladyship, that all those who were the appellants before this honorable court, to them, both of them, the relief was denied unanimously. Insofar as
how this Sunni Ittihad claimed the seats and in what capacity?
They claimed the seats on account of the basis that, and that has been determined in the judgment, and that is not being questioned over here. They claimed the seats on account of the on the basis of their contention that post the general elections, a number of these candidates who were quote unquote independent candidates had joined the party within 3 days, and they were entitled to those seats. The majority as well as minority
judge. They contested election on their political back.
No, they did not. No, they did not. That is the finding in the.
So they themselves were, he or they were independent.
These were
election in the independent capacity.
These candidates were independent candidates. After the general election, they joined the Sunni Ittihad Council. The Sunni Ittihad...
So, Makhdum Sahab, ye Sunni Ittihad already thi?
The Sunni Ittihad Council existed as a political party.
Outside the parliament?
Yes, at that time, everyone was outside the parliament because election had not taken place. But
sorry, Makhdum Sahab, ye zara mujhe particular, I'm sorry, mujhe iski zara chahiye knowledge kuch. कि ऑलरेडी एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो इलेक्शन जीत के अंदर जाएगी तो ये इंडिपेंडेंट के पास चॉइस होगी कि दे में सेलेक्ट चूज वन ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ऑफ देयर चॉइस
जो लीडरशिप
तो वो ऑलरेडी क्या सुन्नी इत्तेहाद अंदर थी किसी भी कैपेसिटी में
No, the facts before this honorable court were that the Sunni Ittihad
थी नहीं तो किस तरह ज्वाइन
These facts before this court were, and I go with the majority judgment, not in the minority judgments. The facts before the court were that the Sunni Ittihad Council did not contest the general elections on any political seat. Even its chairman, that is the appellant number 2, contested the elections as an independent candidate backed by various political parties, but he contested the elections as an independent candidate. The majority.
मखदूम साहब आप जरा पहले रिव्यू पे आ जाइए, ये बातें तो उसके बाद होंगी कि हम आप रिव्यू को.
I feel obligated to answer the query.
I wanted to understand the point.
Yes. So the point
That's
is
only for my concern.
Yeah, your ladyship, the point is dealt with in the majority judgment as well as in the minority judgment. They
Sir,
say,
I think short brief is required because so many honorable members were not the members of the original bench.
My lord.
So at least for their own conscience.
My lord,
and
may I explain?
They need some
यहाँ
facts.
क्वेश्चन वही कर रहे हैं जो ऑलरेडी अपना व्यू पॉइंट बता चुके हैं सब.
Your ladyship, this is dealt with in the majority judgment. May I explain? These persons joined, these elected returned candidates joined Sunni Ittihad Council. Sunni Ittihad Council was a political party which had not contested the general elections, which had not secured any seat in the general elections. Even its chairman, the appellant number 2, had not contested the general elections on the seat of the Sunni Ittihad Council. And the court therefore unanimously ruled that under Article 51, read with Article 106 of the Constitution, these persons could not have joined the Sunni Ittihad Council, and the Sunni Ittihad Council was not entitled to any reserved seats.
Sorry sir, थोड़ा सा correction कर दें. The independents were entitled, they can join Sunni Ittihad, but not for the purpose of reserved seats.
Yes, sir, anyone can join any political party within 3 days.
मखदूम साहब, I'm sorry to cut you. जो पार्टी ऑलरेडी इलेक्शन जीत के अंदर आई है, क्या उसको ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं या बाहर जो बैठी है, which has not contested any election, and if I contest election in independent capacity और मैं अंदर आके पार्लियामेंट के अंदर जाके कहूँ कि मैं बाहर जो इलेक्शन में नहीं जीत के नहीं आई है तो मैं उसको ज्वाइन करती हूँ.
All 13 members unanimously hold that they could not have so joined. This is a point dealt with, and Sunni Ittihad Council has not sought a review of that. This is a point dealt with unanimously. All 13 members.
Sorry to say, सबने ये नहीं कहा. मैं थोड़ा सा डिस्टिंक्शन दे रहा हूँ इसलिए कि my judgment is somewhat different from that. मैंने इस हद तक कहा जब हम 2 मेंबर थे कि एनी कैंडिडेट जो इंडिपेंडेंट है वो किसी भी पार्टी, कुल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो कि रजिस्टर हो उसको ज्वाइन कर सकता है. लेकिन जहाँ तक सीट की बात है, ये रिजर्व सीट किसे मिलेंगी, हमने कहा उससे मिलेगी जिन्होंने इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट की. क्योंकि सुन्नी इत्तेहाद ने इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट नहीं किया था, ये कैंडिडेट शामिल हो सकते हैं उनमें, लेकिन सीट के हकदार नहीं होंगे, रिजर्व सीट के हकदार.
माय लॉर्ड,
और वो पार्टीज जिन्होंने इलेक्शन जीता, बेशक एक सीट जीती हो, तो उसमें अगर आज़ाद उम्मीदवार शामिल हो जाएंगे तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट स्ट्रेंथ तादाद उसमें शामिल होने के बाद फिर रिजर्व सीट.
दैट्स करेक्ट.